Scanning a Fiverr QR code can be useful for quickly accessing profiles, gigs, or other Fiverr links. Fiverr QR codes are typically found on user profiles, in messages, or in app notifications. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to scan a Fiverr QR code. Open your smartphone's camera app. Most modern smartphones have built-in QR scanning capabilities directly in the camera app. Open the camera and point it steadily at the Fiverr QR code for a few seconds until a notification appears. Use a QR code scanner app. If your camera doesn't recognize the QR code, download the QR scanner app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and allow it to access your camera. Hold your phone steadily over the Fiverr QR code and the scanner app will decode it automatically. Tap on the link. Once the QR code is recognized, a link to the Fiverr page or resource will appear on your screen. Tap on it to be redirected to the Fiverr content, which may open in the Fiverr app if it's installed or in your mobile browser. Log in. If the QR code directs you to specific Fiverr content, you may be asked to log in to access certain features.